The Чистые Технологии company group develops and introduces modern, more efficient and similar counterparts, ecologically friendly and resource-saving technologies of the rolling stock washing, including the exterior of the passenger car bodies, electric trains and locomotives. These complexes possess a number of advantages as compared to their foreign analogues. First, application in the technological process of acid cleansers destroying lacquer coating and inducing corrosion of car bodies had been minimized. Second, there has been provided for washing of the passenger car bodies, truck frames and window glasses. Third, the cascades, including moisture, intensive washing and rinsing, processing lateral surfaces and car body roof stains have been intensified. Fourth, integration provides for closed system preparing cleanser and water reuse, ensuring organization of technological process in the resource-saving, environment-friendly operation. Fifth, discharge of polluted sewage water and emissions in the environment had been significantly reduced. Sixth, the techniques allow washing several types of rolling stock, passenger cars, suburban electric trains and locomotives, standing on one railway track. These complexes have been actively introduced in the railroad network of RESIDUES for washing of passenger cars and suburban electric train bodies. In this case, it's Yekaterinburg Rail Depot of Sverdlovskaya Railroad, division of RESIDUES. The technological equipment cost of such car washing complex is more than 1.5 times less than known foreign analogues. Domestic analogues doesn't exist. The washing technology is protected by Rospatent with priority of 2004. This car washing complex is intended for year-round washing of trains and includes independent contours such as compressed air blowing contour, preliminary removal of rubbish and snow, car preparation contour, including the following units: moisturizing car bodies, cleansing solution, high pressure washing of truck frames and passenger cars, intensive washing contour, including the following units: washing with brushes of lateral surfaces and car stains, high pressure washing of passenger car roofs, washing of window glasses with horizontal brushes, cars rinsing contour, washing with water of cleansing residues from the car surfaces, contour blowing off water residues with air. In this specific case, some equipment system intended for exclusive washing of electric trains not purchased by customer are absent, including frontal surfaces washing contour, train moving system. These systems are included in the technological specification of the car washing equipment complex purveyed to the Ramenskoye Rail Depot of the Moscow Railroad, a division of RESIDUES, and introduced in December of 2006.